Well, folks, what can you get from one Roma tomato from the supermarket? Well, you just scrape the seeds out and you get plants. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 Roma tomato starts right here, right now, without buying any seeds. When you just normally buy a Roma tomato. Now these are determinate plants, so they grow to the point where they fruit and then they die. They don't keep growing as long as the weather's good. So these are commonly used for pasta sauces. And probably don't want to swallow the seeds anyway because they're insoluble mostly for you unless you bake them or unless you can them. They do contain a high amount of calcium in the seeds and they are good for you if they are baked or powdered. But the jury's out on whether tomato seeds are good for you as far as putting on weight. That has never been proven, but that's been said. I always take the seeds out because I don't like biting the seeds anyway. And you can just take the seeds and throw them in a little pot, and then 3 days later, there you go, because I did these 3 days ago. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up.